2013 model Freightliner CL120 glider kit truck, y'all. You've been waiting on one. This is the one you've been waiting on right here. Cummins turbo diesel power, 8LL transmission, double frame. "16-foot BEAU-ROC steel bed. Got the big sideboards on it. Bed's in great shape. Look at that floor, y'all. All kind of floor. BEAU-ROC gives you all that extra storage. Made just like that, y'all. That way you can pack her full. Electric tarp in good shape. Like new rubber on the back. Still got some tits on it, y'all. Y'all see that? Nearly new drive rubber. Drop axle. 425 front rubber. All aluminum all the way around, y'all. 22.5s in the front. The two drive axles are 24.5 rubber. 460,000 miles, 20,000 hours. Sitting there running like a sewing machine. 20,000 pound front axle, dual steering boxes. 12K drop axle. 40K rears. Engine brake, cruise control, diff lock. Double frame once again, y'all. If you've been looking for a truck, this is it. These are nice trucks. We got two of them. Drove all the way in, a little over 100 miles away. No trouble. Y'all come check them out. 13601 Highway 45, North Finger, Tennessee. SouthernEquipmentLLC.com is our website for all your retail needs. If you'd like auctions, we have an auction once a month. Third Thursday. Don't forget it. SESBid.com. Get on there and check it out. Thank y'all for watching our video.